Cops launch manhunt for prisoners who escaped from the Hunts Bay lockup. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew South Police are continuing a manhunt for two prisoners who escaped from the Hunts Bay Police lockup on Thursday, August the 5th. The escapees are 30-year-old Ronald Scully of Tobias Road, St. Andrew, and 26-year-old Giovanni Myrie of Olympic Way, St. Andrew. The men were discovered missing from the facility about 10:37 p.m. during a routine check. The police said that preliminary investigation indicated that the men escaped through a hole in the perimeter fence at the rear of the premises. Scully and Myrie were recently convicted of illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition. They were scheduled to be sentenced on September 16 and 17 respectively in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. The police are appealing to anyone with information on the whereabouts of Roland Scully and Giovanni Myrie to contact the Hunts Bay Criminal Investigation Branch at 876-923-5626, the Police Emergency 119 number, Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station. Meanwhile, the police are reminding members of the public that it's a criminal offense to harbor fugitive. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.